Hey everyone, it's Alessandro Brooks here for Home Chef Seattle. Indian food is definitely one of my favorite foods to eat, and the recipe that I'm sharing with you guys today is the recipe for a PALAK Paneer, which is a spinach curry with paneer cheese in it. If you've had PALAK Paneer before, you know how tasty it is. I hope you enjoyed the recipe, and if you do, please don't forget to press the like button below, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. I'd love to hear where you're watching the video from. Let's get started. We're going to start by blanching the spinach. Bring water to a boil in a large saucepan and add half tablespoon of salt. Add the spinach and boil it for 1 minute. Then, transfer it into an ice bath to stop the cooking process. Let the spinach sit in the ice bath for a couple minutes. Then drain it and squeeze the water out. Transfer it into a food processor and blend it until you have a nice and smooth paste. Next, finely chop 1 yellow onion, 3 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili. I'm using 1 Serrano chili. Remove the seeds for a less spicy version. And 1 large tomato. In a large pan, melt 2 tablespoons of ghee. Then add the onions and sauté until they're nice and translucent. Add 1 bay leaf, the garlic and the chili, and sauté for an additional minute or 2. Then add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half teaspoon of chili powder, a quarter teaspoon of cardamon powder, and a 1-inch piece of fresh ground ginger. Sauté until the spices are nice and fragrant. Then add the tomatoes and cook until they're nice and soft. Add some water to obtain a nice sauce. Add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds or leaves. Add more water if necessary. Then add the spinach paste and mix it to combine. You can add more water to achieve the desired sauce texture. At this time, season with salt and 1 teaspoon of Garam Masalla. Lower the heat to low and let the sauce simmer while you prepare the paneer. Cut the cheese into cubes and add it to a hot skillet with a drizzle of oil. Flip the cheese to get a nice color on all sides. Then season it with a sprinkle of salt and a sprinkle of Garam Masala. Add the paneer into the sauce and mix it to combine. At this time, you can remove the bay leaf. Finish the PALAK paneer with a good drizzle of heavy cream, about 2 tablespoons. Serve the PALAK paneer with some flatbread or basmati rice, and an extra drizzle of fresh cream. I'm serving it today with some garlic and scallion Lachha Paratha bread. I'm going to leave the link to the recipe on the description below. And it's time to eat! I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.